Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The President of Turkmenistan participated in the 6th consultative meeting of heads of Central Asian states. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov had a working visit to the Republic of Kazakhstan to participate in the 6th consultative meeting of heads of state of Central Asia. In his speech, the head of Turkmenistan thoroughly described Turkmenistan's approach to transport issues, noted the importance of strengthening international energy cooperation, the significance of expanding trade, industrial cooperation, partnership in the sphere of small and medium-sized enterprises was emphasized. A number of documents were signed upon the results of the summit. These are the joint statement on the outcomes of the 6th consultative meeting of heads of state of Central Asia, the concept of development of regional cooperation, Central Asia 2040, and the resolution of the 6th consultative meeting of heads of state of Central Asia on awarding the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, Ysmayyl Orazgylyjov, with the honorary badge of the heads of state of Central Asia. The roadmap on development of regional cooperation for 2025-2027 was also adopted. Meeting of the President of Turkmenistan with the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan. President of Turkmenistan Serdar Berdimuhamedov, as part of a working visit to the Kazakh capital, met with President of the Republic of Kazakhstan Kassym-Jomart Tokayev. The meeting was held with the participation of members of the delegations of the two countries. During the meeting, a constructive exchange of views took place on priority issues of bilateral partnership. It was emphasized that Turkmenistan pays great attention to cooperation with the Republic of Kazakhstan. The President of Turkmenistan also noted that on October 10-11 of this year, our country is expecting the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan to pay an official visit and participate in the international forum on the occasion of the 300th anniversary of the birth of the great poet and thinker Maktimguli Fragi. Presidents of Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan discussed bilateral cooperation. President of Turkmenistan, Serdar Berdimuhamedov, met with President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, Shavkat Mirziyoyev, in Astana. During the meeting, the presidents noted with satisfaction the effectiveness of the long-standing, traditionally friendly bilateral ties between Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan based on the principles of trust, equality, and mutual respect. The heads of state reviewed the current condition and prospects for the development of bilateral relations. They discussed issues of cooperation in key areas, including economy, trade, transportation, and others. National leader of the Turkmen people visited the Motorsport Center of Turkmenistan. During his working holiday, national leader of the Turkmen people, chairman of the Kalk Maslakati of Turkmenistan, Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, who attaches a great significance to the strengthening of healthy way of life and practices various sports disciplines, visited the Motorsports Center of Turkmenistan, located in the northern part of the capital. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.